I am Aakanksha. I am the student of first year Computer Science and Engineering of Devgiri Institute of Engineering and Management Studies, Aurangabad. Today I am here to explain you basics of storage classes in C. Basically, what is storage class or why we use that? Each and every variable has a storage type which is to define at the time of type declaration. For example, auto int a. Auto is a storage class, int is a data type, a is a variable name. Here we specifying a automatic storage class using a auto keyword. We are able to make program without giving it storage type because it is taken as default. For example, int a. Here we are not specifying any storage class like auto, but still the program can run, but at that time can take a default value. Storage class of a variable tells us about following information. Memory location or storage means the location where the variable can be stored. Default initial value, the default value that the class taken when the value of a variable is not assigned. Scope of the variable, scope of the variable is that which the value of the variable will be available. Life of the variable, life of the variable is that for how much time the variable remains in the memory. Let us see the types of storage classes in C. There are 4 types of storage classes in C. Automatic storage class, register storage class, static storage class, external storage class. First, automatic storage class. Storage in memory or RAM. Initial value will be garbage. Scope local to the block. Life still control remains in the block. Keyword use auto to declare automatic storage class. Note every variable in C by default belongs to the automatic storage class. Let us see one basic example. Here we declare auto int a as a variable. After printing the value of variable a, we are getting a is equal to garbage value because by default initial value of variable a in automatic storage class is garbage. This variable is accessible within the curly brackets means within the block because the variable is local to the block. Second, register storage class. Storage in CPU register. Initial value will be garbage. Scope local to the block where the variable is defined. Live till control remains in the block. Keyword used to declare register storage class is register. Let us see one example. Here we declare register int a as a variable. After printing the value of variable a, we get a is equal to garbage value because by default initial value for register storage class is a. In this case also variable a is local to the block. Third, static storage class. Storage in memory. Initial value will be 0. Scope local to the block where the variable is defined. Life till control remains in the block. Keyword used to declare static storage class is static. Let us see one example. Static int a. Here we declare a variable int a. After printing the value of a, we will get a is equal to 0 because by default initial value for static storage class is 0. And in this case also, the variable a is local to the block. Last, external storage class. Storage in memory. Initial value will be 0. Scope global. Live till control till program runs. Keyword use extern. Let us see one example. Here we are declaring two variables, int a outside the main function and extern int b inside the main function. After printing variable a and b, we will get a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 10 because by default initial value for external storage class is 0. And as we initialize b is equal to 10, it prints b is equal to 10. Variable b can be accessible outside the main function. Also because we use external storage class which is global. Finally, this is the difference between 4 classes which is helpful for you while declaring a variable. Thank you.